Recently, I've booked a holiday with my girlfriend and her family to Costa Rica. So we're going right down here all the way to South America. And as somebody who loves traveling, right, I was like, why don't I book a single out there and then, do some traveling to a few different countries, buy a single to go home and job done. I get to see a bit more of the world, blah, 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 whatever. So I went on to United Airlines website, and this is all relevant because basically, if you're on this video, you want to know about the crazy ticket prices for going to Costa Rica, and it just makes no sense. But basically, so let's say I'm going to Liberia and Costa Rica. Let's say I want to depart, for example, on the 1st of March, right? Select that. Let's say I said it was a one-way. Find a flight. Okay, here are going to be the flights for a one-way ticket to Costa Rica. And as it loads up, we're about to see what they are. Any time today would be fantastic. £1,046, right? And you're probably thinking, if you're ever like, oh my goodness, I want to get a one-way ticket to Costa Rica, I cannot afford this. Well, stop, because once I saw this, I was like, what the heck? Why is it so expensive for a one-way ticket? So I went back on there, and I said, okay, hypothetically, let's say I was doing a round trip, and let's say I was returning on the 23rd of March, for example. Select find flights, and you will see that for a return ticket, as it's about to come up any second now, as we said before, it is £536. So essentially, what we've just seen is that, which makes no sense at all, is that a single is over double the price of a round trip. So let's say you wanted a single trip to Costa Rica, right? You're better off buying a whole return, saving £500, and then scrapping the second half of that return. To me, this makes no sense at all. So I thought I'd just make a little video today saying that if you're ever going to somewhere far away, and this is the same results as Skyscanner, all the travel comparison sites, it's more expensive to get a single than a return. So sometimes if you're looking for a little flight out to somewhere far away, check how much a return is as well as a single, because you might see something crazy like this. And if you're flying to Costa Rica anytime soon, then this was just, I saw this, like, that's crazy, man. Also, I don't actually know how they're allowed to do it, because there'll probably be some poor soul out there who goes, oh, I only want a single. This is the cheapest there is. Let me pay £1,000 for a single on the 1st of March to Costa Rica. When in actual fact, if you wanted a return, you could get it for half the price and just don't use the return. So, guys, let me know what you think of this. Have you seen this before? A 2023 Costa Rica travel hack, and probably a few other places. So, this is how to get, I guess, a cheaper flight to Costa Rica. Thank you.